Hey guys, it's me, Faces by Paciencia. I am a television and special effects makeup artist and an aesthetics instructor. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a DIY lip blush and a DIY lip stain. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the lip blush because the lip blush is more like a natural tint just added to your natural lips just to kind of enhance the color of it. And a lip stain will be more like a lipstick. So we want to go on light first, and then I will add a semi-permanent lip stain later. The lip stain will be more like the Tony Moly Korean lip stain that is so popular. To get started with the lip blush, you're going to need 2 ingredients. You will also need these same 2 ingredients for the lip stain. First ingredient will be a peel-off mask. I have the Yes to Grapefruit Brightening for Dull and Uneven Skin Vitamin C Glow Boosting Unicorn Peel-Off Mask. Make sure that you have a peel-off mask. This will not work with the cream-based one. This is going to work with a peel-off mask. So just make sure that it says peel off in the description. The next ingredient that you will need is going to be food coloring. Basic, regular food coloring. Got this is McCormick brand, got it from Walmart, both of these. And so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna just open this. I just got a disposable plate disposable bowl because I didn't know how staining the food coloring was going to be, and I didn't want to mess up any of my actual silverware. So I'm going to start with the red that they have in here. It comes with 4 colors: red, green, yellow, and blue. So the first thing I want to do is I want to see the color of the red by itself. So I am going to get a full drop. Whoa, I'm so glad it was closed. Okay, so after that horrific scare, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to take the yellow. I'm going to add probably 2 drops because I want a good ratio. Let's do 3 just to be on the safe side. 3 drops of orange. And let me hold this really carefully. 1 drop of red. I'm going to try to do a half drop. I just don't know if that's possible. Let's see if I can just touch the board. Okay, well I managed a half a drop. That's pretty cool. Let me put the cap back on in case I have any more accidents. Alright, I'm going to stir that in. Alright, get my paper towel and I'm going to test the color again. Okay. So you can't tell really on camera, but it is a lot more red than it was the first time, and that's okay. That's a good color payoff. So I'm gonna go with that, and I'm gonna take some of my peel-off mask, and I am going to pour just enough to cover my lips, really. Squeeze it in. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be white because it was in a pink container and it said unicorn. I thought it actually was going to be, it's white. I thought it was going to be like pink or like a clear gel color, but it came out looking like Elmer's glue. Okay. See, there's a little bit of the white. Alright, so this is not exactly the color I'm going for because it's very orange. I am going to add a little bit of red to it. So it came out a really pretty coral color. Ooh, see that? So let's add this to my lips. And I'm actually going to use a mirror so I can see up close. Oh, before I add this fully to my lips, you will keep it on for 10 minutes or for however long the mask says. This says 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to apply it first and then I will do the 8 to 10 minutes. I will start the timer. Okay, that is super bright. I can't actually close my lips together, so I will try to talk like this. I am going to wait the 10 minutes. Okay, so it's pretty evenly coated. I am going to wait 10 minutes and then I will see you when I get out. That's easy. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see if I can get this lip blush off. It was a little tingly. Slightly tingly. Let's see the outcome. Okay, so you can see that it added a little bit of tint to my lips. Let me just make sure I have everything off. So this is actually nice as a lip blush. I'm gonna add a little bit of moisturizer to my lips. So as you can see, there's a little bit of orange tint to my lips. Huh? It's nice, and this is a lip blush. Remember, it's not a lip stain, it's a lip blush. This is just to enhance my lip colors ever so slightly. And I think I did a good job. I mixed the yellow and a little bit of red together and it gave it a nice orange tint. Let's see how it looks like with a little bit of moisturizer. Ah, feels amazing. The mask actually felt very moisturizing as well. All right. I don't think it's bad. I mean, I really like it. It's a light tint, it's a light gloss, not too much, and it gives the enhancement of your lip color. So you can see my lips from afar. From afar, you can still see my lip color, whereas before, it would have just disappeared into my skin. So I'm very, very happy with it. Maybe because my bottom lip is pinker, it came out a lot brighter. But next time I do it, what I will do is add a little bit more tint for the top lip, since my top lip is a little bit more tinted brown. But I like it. It's a nice, soft, almost like a mood lipstick kind of reaction is what I'm getting. It's very light, very pretty in person. So, okay, well, let's get ready to do the next step, which is the lip stain. And this lip stain is going to be more like Tony Moly, the Korean lip tints, which I love, but you can't find them very often. So I'm going to try to just do this the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to go back into this face mask, the peel-off face mask. And I know for sure I'm going to add red. What I'm not sure of is if I'm going to modify the color, because you guys know I love being a little cosmetic chemist, and make it more of a burgundy color by adding a little bit of blue to it. So we all know that blue and red makes what? Purple. So I might modify it and give it a little bit of a purple/burgundy color payoff. Alright, so going back, just making sure my brush is still clean. I'm going to take the red, and I want to add in a drop, maybe 2 drops. No, let's go with 2 drops. 2 drops of the red food coloring. Put the cap on again. And I'm going to mix that in first before I add any blue. So now I have 2 parts red. Whoa. So it looks more pink to me, and I definitely am not going for pink. If I'm going to have something permanent to my lips, I would stick to a color I have now, like a soft orange color, because I actually wear orange a lot, just naturally. but since it's going to be a little bit more permanent, I'm going to darken it. So this is the final color here. I actually ended up adding 3 drops of the red, and now I'm going to do 1 drop of blue. I'm going to try to get half a drop so I don't make it too dark too quick. Ooh, I think I got half a drop. Stuck to the wall, so I need to actually bring it down into the lip base. I like it. It modified it a little bit. So let me stir it in a little bit more, and then I'll show it to you guys. Not bad, not bad. It's not going to be too dark, not going to be too bright. Alright, so here's the color payoff. Much more of almost like a mauve rose. So let's take it from this pretty nice blush orange, which I absolutely love the color. My normal lipstick on an everyday basis is just a little bit more orange than this. And of course full color, but this is great. It doesn't transfer, there's no rubbing off because it's actually stained your lips, so I like it. I actually may go back in once this new color fades and go back and tint my lips back this nice blush orange. Take this, just mix it in a little bit more, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lips. And this is going to be the lip stain, so I'm going to go heavy. I want it to give me full cover, full color. And remember how I said that my top lip is a little bit more darker than the bottom lip? I'm just going to pack it on heavy and see if that makes a difference without modifying the color. We'll see. Okay, so this one's now dry. I'm going to start peeling. Okay, here is the new finished color. Hopefully you guys can understand me. Here is the new finished color, and I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, let's peel this off and see what color I got. Whoa. Okay, so I've added a little bit of moisturizer to my lips. And I really like it. It's a very mild, very soft, rosy tone that it came out, which I'm really impressed by. My lips feel extremely moisturized because this was an actual face mask. If you try the lip blush and you also try the lip stain, please let me know how it turns out for you. Remember, on the lip blush, I added a little bit of red to orange. So orange was the main base color, and then I added a tad dash of red to it just to richen the color, deepen the color, and that was my blush color, which was a slight orange. And then this is the lip stain, which I ended up adding 6 drops of red and 1 drop of blue to create this nice blush look. And yeah, it came out great for me. I really liked it, and so if you decide to try it, please let me know below in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye!